Hello guys, Tito Doc here. So for today's video, bibisitahin natin ngayon si Coach Franz sa Strength and Movement para magpa-instrumented assisted soft tissue mobilization tayo. So 3 weeks ago, nagkaroon tayo ng ankle sprain. After several days of rehab, magpapa-release na tayo. So this process called IASTM, ang ginagawa nito is binibreak down niya yung scar tissue to improve blood flow and promote healing. Medyo masakit siya, pero after a while, you can see here, nawala na yung pain. The tool na scraper na ginamit ni Coach na kumaan ng aking pakiramdam. Walang soreness. After performing that instrumented assisted soft tissue mobilization, nag-perform na tayo ng mga drills to activate yung peroneals na sabi ni Coach. So, nagkaroon tayo ng mga single-legged drills. Ayan. At meron ding weights mamaya after nitong drill na ito. Don't know what this called, pero yan. And if you want na magpa-session kay Coach Franz, located siya dito. I-attach ko na lang. And ito yung mga Facebook page niya and Instagram na baka makaka-help sa inyo. No? So, sa mga katulad kong tumatakbo dyan at gustong magpalakas at magpa-release, visit nyo si Coach Franz. DM nyo siya sa Instagram. Napakabait and accommodating and affordable pa yung kanyang prices. So, okay naman, and hopefully, this coming May 4 is mabreak na natin yung 10K sub 1. Sa May 4, Fit to Run Leg 1, Pampanga. See you next video. Bye-bye!